Start. Okay, once upon a time. Okay. In Sultan of Sulu became a blood brother of the Kaiser's captain of the ship to find for spices in the Far East. Ingan isin Kaiser's captain was Herman Leopold Schuck. He would always go to Brunei, Sandakan, to get spices. And one time, his frigate, big storm, pushed his frigate to the Sulu seas. Pagkita sin Sultan, pagtanya tao niya, said, "Men, find out what's that ship doing, what that's like." The captain came down and paid respect to the Sultan. And so, naging friends sila because the German was bringing rifles to trade for spices. So, naman ito. So, they would sell their wife for a rifle. No? Anyway, so, they became so close that in the end, the German was gifted a wife by the Sultan by the name of Saria Yap, who was a mestiza Chinese.
Malaysian din?
Also, distant relatives in Sultan. So, the German captain married her in the Muslim rite. Okay? They had, the fruit of that marriage was Julius Schuck. Then came the wife of the German, so Saria divorced him in the Muslim rite. Saria ended up marrying Panglima Hayudini, but not knowing that she was pregnant na with the Captain Herman Schuck. Sperm seed. So that's why when Panglima Hayudini gave the name to the son, no? That's why the Hayudinis have German features. And we cannot say history is wrong because you cannot put the blood of a German in a Muslim person, remember, without that was an unknowing. Yeah, that's why Schuck and the Hayudinis are really brothers. It's just that Hayudini is the name of the fruit of the marriage fruit between Hayudini and Yap. But in reality, it was the German captain's before he married. It was maybe an innocent. And Panglima Hayudini was a big man enough to give the name Hayudini. That's why Hayudini and Schuck are brothers. That's our story. Bow.